Hello guys, there we have a OPPO A16s, and today I will show you how you can scan QR codes on this device by the camera. So in the first step we have to open the camera app, and in the photo section click this small icon. This is Google Lens. Now click open camera and add a permission. Now just show QR code to your device. If you are ready, tap shutter button to search. Here we can see this is the address from the QR code. We can tap on it and open it in the web browser. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.